Here are the free language tools that you can get on the internet. The first one is Grammarly at grammarly.com, and the next one is the ever famous Google Translate at translate.google.com. Let's look at Grammarly. Grammarly, as the name implies, is a tool for you to fix your grammar and spelling mistakes for English. So how to use it is that you just go to add this Chrome extension here, click on this button, and you'll find a Chrome extension installed here with the green icon here. Next, let me demonstrate how it works. Say for example, I'm going to write an article on my WordPress website. I'm just going to write how to write better English. I will copy this title here and paste it down here. And I'm just going to deliberately change this spelling here to better. And immediately you see that there's a red underline showing that this is a mistake. And to fix it, I just have to click on here, better. How about this? English. Again, the red line appeared, and Grammarly is nice enough to help me to correct it by this. Now, how about grammar? Let's make a grammar mistake. Say, for example, the easiest way for learn English. So obviously the mistake here is 4. Now, if you just see at the bottom here, there's a red number here showing the grammar mistakes here. So Grammarly will help you to correct it. The easiest way to learning English and so forth. Or you can even say the easiest way of learning English language. It can continue to improve your grammar by asking you to add the easiest way of learning the English language. So you can see that Grammarly is a rather powerful tool to help you to improve your grammar and spelling. Next we have Google Translate. I think I don't have to explain this anything further because it is so widely used and it's so easy to use. All you need to do is to just enter the foreign language here and immediately it gets translated over here. For example, even if I enter say for example, English word here, you can even hear how it's being pronounced.
Food.
And you can translate to other multiple languages here. Let's say Spanish, comida, and you can
Comida.
hear how it's pronounced. You could share it, you can save it, you can copy it, you can even have definitions of what's the meaning of the word.